that is within, it will be within the app itself. They both work hand in hand. Even though the app will be focusing mainly on foods, the app can be expanded to work on all the other available fields that the website will be working on. Now when you go to the website or even the app itself, this is what you'll be greeted with on the front page. Explore your country to fill your belly. Because I almost everybody here have a feeling to have food otherwise. From the pregnant ladies to the linemen men to 3 in the morning can't seem to find something to eat. Now for today's presentation, we only have 2 items populated into the system, which are basically both food places. For example, on your website you can type in what you want to look for in terms of the food, the area that you're in. But for today, we'll just click on foods. Now what you do, basically when you enter a query, for whatever you're looking to buy, for example, in Infamous, almost everybody eats KFC, or something from KFC. So you can type in KFC, you can type in chicken, you can type in coleslaw. And basically the app itself will show you the available places that are within your area or the vicinity that you decided to search. And it will tell you who's open and who's closed. And you can decide if you're going to bring down your search a little bit more. So for example, today we are at the Rush Bar. So you can click on the individual item, the individual outlet, maybe Rush, KFC, so forth. And for each one of the items in the system, the small business can add as many pictures as you would want or video of their establishment. Put a tagline for the company. You can even list some of their menu. You can even see exactly what their price range of some of their items are. They can see if their establishment is an expensive or moderate or expensive establishment, depending on what foods you sell. And earlier I remember somebody was asking about reviews, and the end users, anybody who is actually using the app, could actually look at the individual places, get it on the Google Map, will show you where it is, and everybody could log, once you have an account, you could log in and leave a review of your establishment. You can give it a 5-star rating, you can give it a 1-star, you can even write exactly what your comment is or what your dislike is. Depending on exactly how many contacts the small business adds to the system, there's an option for you to actually call the person on WhatsApp or message them if they are open. If you have WhatsApp installed on your phone, it will take you to your WhatsApp app, or on your desktop, it will take you to your WhatsApp website where you can send a message to the individual small business. Now again, as I said, each small business will be able to add as many images as they would like that will best portray their business. So like you see something on a tablet or you can tell the smartphone itself, the site will change the design to fit the device it's on. And basically the app would look like how you're looking at it on your cell phone. That's how the app would look. Over the next 2 to 3 weeks we'll be fine-tuning, making correction, doing changes to the system, and hopefully on launch date we'll look at at least 5,000 small businesses actually registered in the system. Now the system is easy to use for anybody who wants to register a business as well. Because in the app or even on the website, a small business can sign up, choose a package of what their liking is by clicking on Add Your Business. Something simple. You choose the different packages that you'll be offering, which will be $50 a month, which you could pay monthly, or you could pay in bulk over the period that you're looking for. The end user, small business would select whatever package they want. And it will take you to a list where you could populate all the information about your individual business. The consultants could actually sit down with a small business user who's not really tech savvy, and they can sit down and go through the form with them and fill it out accordingly. Now the great thing about the app is that the app actually works with Google Maps, as well as the website itself, where you put in your physical address, and if you look at the app when you were at Rush, you would have been able to click on get directions, and it will show you from where you are, give you an idea of how to get to where you're going. Now the system at present is self-contained, meaning that when somebody signs up, a small business signs up, the system will generate invoices for the individual small business that we are presently working with different banks to have a payment gateway that would work for every small business that you think of, because it will be integrated into the NLCB lots of routes where the small business owners would have said could go and pay or top up his account at the route itself. I mean, because again, most small businesses, because you're focused on your small business, a lot of the times you cannot go and stand in a bank line to pay something. Most people pay some level of lotto play. If you could simply go to a lotto group and pay your bill, so that's why we have looked at integrating that into the system to make everything as simple as possible for the small business.